Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify for you the math problems step by step. So in this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's dive into it. The function g is defined by g of x equals negative 4 times x to the power of 4 plus 5x squared minus 9. What is the end behavior of g? So it's an interesting AP Precalculus question. So stay tuned to understand how to analyze and solve these type of problems. Let's look at the function given by today's problem. It's f of x equals negative 4 times x to the power of 4. And our task is to determine the end behavior of this function. First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is negative 4 times x to the power of 4. Now, let's understand how the leading term, negative 4 times x to the power of 4, dictates the behaviors as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. Notice that as x becomes very large or very small, the x to the power of 4 terms dominates the behavior of the polynomial because it's an even exponent technically, x to the power of 4. If you put negative a number instead of x, or a positive or negative infinity or positive infinity, it is going to be always turn out to positive. However, we have a negative coefficient in front, negative 4 times this positive. That's going to give you negative value. So for this one, we will have negative infinity and negative infinity in both cases. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.